AfriForum's NSFAS corruption allegations land in SIU's court for probe. By Satori News. The Special Investigations Unit SIU of South Africa is currently poised for an in-depth probe into AfriForum's formal complaint of purported corruption and mismanagement within the National Student Financial Aid Scheme, NSFAS. The civil rights organization's allegations have drawn scrutiny onto key figures, including Dr. Blade Nzimande, the former Minister of Higher Education, and Ernest Kosa, the preceding chairperson of NSFAS. AfriForum's initial complaint, filed with the Public Protector on January 26, was spurred by a report published by the Organization Undoing Tax Abuse, OUTA. In response, the Public Protector has now referred the case to the SIU to consolidate efforts and ensure a thorough investigation under the auspices of Proclamation R88, thus avoiding multiple inquiries and potentially disjointed findings. Sharnay Mostert, AfriForum's campaign officer on corruption, interprets this development as an encouraging sign and an increase in the likelihood of wrongdoing being appropriately addressed. The SIU's ongoing inquiries into NSFAS also point to potential discrepancies in the organization's financial administration, reinforcing concerns raised in AfriForum's complaint. The core of the complaint alleges that the corruption within NSFAS breaches the South African Constitution, particularly Section 29(1)b, which affords citizens the right to further education through reasonable state measures. AfriForum argues that the supposed corruption effectively robs disadvantaged students of their right to continued learning, as many rely on NSFAS allowances, not malfeasance, to pursue education. In pursuit of transparency, AfriForum has also submitted a request under the Promotion to Access of Information Act, PAIA, to NSFAS. The request seeks details of NSFAS's contracts with 4 specific service providers entrusted to manage student allowances, plus a copy of our $44 million contract awarded to Vision Wave. Vision Wave is led by Nzimande's advisor, Tilson Mignoni. A response to the PAI application is pending from NSFAS. This investigation places significant weight on addressing issues within the NSFAS, a crucial institution to South Africa's higher education landscape. The results of the SIU's examination may have far-reaching consequences for both implicated individuals and the credibility of the organization responsible for enabling equitable access to education, a foundational guarantee to the nation's youth. Thank you for choosing Satori News.